Hello everyone, welcome back to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today we are making something colorful, crispy and absolutely delicious, corn aloo tikka. A perfect tea time snack that loved by both kids and adults. Let's begin. In a mixing bowl, add 2 boiled and grated potatoes, 2 tablespoon onion, 2 tablespoon capsicum, 2 tablespoon carrot, 2 tablespoon boiled peas, and 2 tablespoon boiled corn. Next add 1/4 cup grated paneer, 3 tablespoon mozzarella cheese, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon salt, and half teaspoon chili flakes. Add 2 tablespoon gram flour to bind everything nicely. Corn is one of the oldest cultivated crops in the world. Combining corn and potatoes gives a perfect balance of crunch and softness. And 1 tablespoon coriander leaves for freshness. If the mixture feels sticky, add a spoon of breadcrumbs or more gram flour. Now mix well and shape them into tikkas. Now heat some oil in a pan on medium flame. Fry the tikkas on both sides until they turn golden and crisp. Always use medium heat so the tikkas cook evenly without burning. You can grill or air fry them for a healthier version. The name tikka comes from the Persian word meaning small pieces. These tikkas are a fun vegetarian twist to traditional kebabs. Let's prepare a quick sauce. In a bowl, mix 1/4 cup mayonnaise, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper powder, and 2 teaspoon green chili sauce. Mix well and tangy spicy dip is ready. Corn aloo tikkas are full of fiber, vitamins and protein from paneer and cheese. They are a wholesome snack, perfect for kids' lunchboxes or family tea time. So here's your easy and tasty corn aloo tikka, golden, cheesy and full of flavor. If you love this recipe, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to Innovin Cake and Cookies for more quick and creative dishes. Tell me in the comments what's your favorite tea time snack.